A number of people have been killed in a head-on car crash on the M9 at Moone in County Kildare. 4 others, including a child, are being treated in hospital for serious injuries. The crash happened in the early hours of this morning. One of the 2 cars involved was travelling on the wrong side of the motorway. Well, our reporter Eleanor Burnhill joins us now from the M9 in County Kildare. Eleanor.
Yes, what we do know, Kate, is that there were multiple fatalities as a result of this head-on collision in the early hours of this morning. 3 bodies were removed by private ambulance and hearse this afternoon, and a 4th body was removed a short time ago. Those who died all travelling in a black BMW which joined the motorway at Junction 3 before heading in the wrong direction towards the other vehicle. Gardaí have yet to give an official death toll, and they've been contacting the families of the deceased all day, and they're appealing for anyone with information about this incident who was on the M9 between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. this morning and who may have witnessed anything suspicious or have dashcam footage to get in contact with them either at a Thai Garda station or on the Garda confidential line. The collision happened just before 3 a.m. this morning close to Moone in County Kildare on the northbound carriageway of the M9. It's understood one vehicle was travelling south along the wrong side of the road for almost a kilometre before it collided head-on with another car, understood to be a family on their way to Dublin Airport. Those injured inside the second car include the female driver and another woman in her 30s who was a front seat passenger. Both were taken to Tallaght University Hospital where they're in a critical condition. Another woman in her 20s who was in the back seat was taken to St Luke's Hospital in Kilkenny where she's in a serious condition. A child was also taken to CHI in Crumlin with serious injuries. Shortly after lunchtime, 2 hearses and a private ambulance arrived to take the remains of those who died in this collision away from the scene. Local people say the community is in shock.
Look, on my own behalf and on behalf of the community around this area, we obviously just want to extend our sympathies to the victims, and just to say that they're obviously them and their families and their communities are in our thoughts and prayers, and please God that those that can will make a full recovery.
Fitzroy, the police ombudsman, is carrying out an investigation, but it's understood no Garda vehicle was in pursuit at the time of the collision. So, Kate, around an hour ago, the Garda Commissioner, Justin Kelly, said his thoughts were with those injured this morning. He said those family members were travelling innocently when they were struck by a vehicle heading in the wrong direction. He said it followed a recent collision of a similar nature on the M50, and he said this shows how irresponsible and dangerous driving on the wrong side of the motorway is, describing it as reckless behaviour, in some cases done for social media, regardless of the devastating impact it can have. He said Gardaí would always do everything that they can to stop such vehicles, taking into account other road users, and he promised full cooperation with the Garda Ombudsman investigation into this crash. He also thanked emergency services who must have come across a devastating scene this morning. Now, in relation to that Fitzroy investigation, it's understood Gardaí and emergency services had been tracking the black car's movements, and they had been alerted to a car driving the wrong way down the motorway. Fitzroy, the police ombudsman, says its teams attended the scene this morning, and it has to carry out an investigation and be notified by Gardaí where there's any contact between Gardaí and members of the public who are either seriously injured or who die in such incidents. And the M9 remains closed this evening, this section of the M9, as preparations get underway to remove the vehicles from the scene where they will be forensically examined. Kate.
Eleanor Burnhill in County Kildare, thank you.